everybody, we're back. Hey, hi, what's up? Hello. It's everybody's favorite Magic player guy. Alright, so let's get into it. Ranked, we're at diamond something. Let's do some more landfall. This deck is fun. I think I have too many lands in it. I think I have to go restructure it a little bit. Let's run a few games and see how it does. Yeah, we'll keep this. Immediate keep. We can damn near get this out already in like turn 3 or 4. And then we'll just have to get a few 2 drops, 3 drops anyway. Llanowar Elf on turn 1. Nice. That is a good card as well. But we can actually, we're going to get this out. And we're also going to get this out. Just to see if they have any removal. No attacks. So now we got 4 mana. We can put this right out and then double trigger it. And then when we double trigger it, we'll get 2 counters on that. We'll probably attack. We'll take 2. Nope, no attack. Alright, so first let's get Mossborn out there. Boom. And then we'll double trigger. Bring that to a 4/4. And then that'll get 2 counters on that. Alright, so no attacks. Go ahead and say go. Whenever you get 2 or more counters, supply counters, on this you can trade 2 mana for a card. Oh, this is nice. Look at, we can get this out already. Let's get another Mossborn out, fuck it. And we'll go like that, we'll trigger. We'll draw a card. Nice. We'll just hang. We could have attacked, but I don't think they have removal, so we can just, yeah, I was going to say, I don't think they got much going on. We're kind of having our way with them. Diamond tier 3. Oh, nice. Alright, 1-1. Let's go in and fuck around with the lands real quick. I think I need like 2 less forests. Let's see, how many am I running? 18 and 8, so 26. So let's just do 25. Let's just do 25, and then we'll do one more. One more. What should we do? I don't have any gold wild cards. We'll do one more stocking the pantry. Yeah, that's okay. That's a pretty broken enchantment, really. Alright, let's run it back. Diamond 3, landfall, mono green. Alright, so we've got a Raphael. Mono red. Yeah, this is fine for now. This is okay. We'll burn that if we run out of basic. Because I want to get what's really out of that. Let's put a stop to that real quick. So we just got card drop stuff going on. So there'll be a 4, swing for 4. We got to come up with an answer for that. All right, let's pump it. Let's pump it twice. 1, 2, and then let's get a land. No, let's keep that for removal. Maybe 3. Yeah, because then next turn we can for sure get an Ouroborite out. And we'll attack. Love it. We can trade 4 for a couple turns. Maybe this will make him want to block. I doubt it though, because he's ahead by a couple. Damn, bro. It's like a bitch. Alright, so draw the card, all this. Swing for 8? Oh, that's not good. And then he's lethal next turn. Fuck. Yikes. Oh god. Could have been 9. Pretty efficient deck, I gotta say. So he's got a 7/7. I think we're cooked. I think we're... Because I can make that a 6/6. I can make that a 6/6, but that's the best I can do. Or I can put an Ouroborite out, and that'll make it a 5/5, a 6. That'll be the same thing, a 6/6 with a 2/4 blocker. I guess that would be better. Yeah, that Moon Shadow is a good card, man, especially when it's in a deck that supports it. Alright, 1/1, no big deal. Let's do a third. I don't think that Bushwhack card is that good. Like, it is, but it's not. I would have rather had a Creature. I only have 2 of them in there. That's fine. That's fine. I think we just didn't draw very well. Woo! Jethro! Yeah, I mean, this is a no-brainer. An instant keep, as we say. I would like to get one more forest. Oh. So go. I want that out before this comes out because we'll trigger him and then we'll get a counter on this. We'll get counter, counter, counter. Okay, so probably an Angel Flying Life Range deck. Alright, that's fine. Boom. And then we'll go like this so we can get Moss Point out next turn. Pump him once, get a counter on that, go ahead and say go. He'll swing in the air for 2, maybe be able to pump it. Yeah, these are life range decks. I mean, I don't have much answers for flyers. The only answer I got is something like this. We'll pump him up. Whoa. You saying GG's already? That's weird. A 3/4 and a 2/2. He could combo block me. I don't want to risk it. I'd rather take his 5 damage and then return with 10. He said good game already, though, so I don't know. put the counter on the Ouroboros because he'll pump up the whole squad. So the more you can pump up the Ouroboros, the more it'll pump up everybody else. Boom, 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 boom. We'll attack with this guy. GG's. Alright, that felt a little better. That felt like the deck was doing what it's supposed to do. Alright, let's do one more. What are we, 2 and 1? 2 and 1. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. I post magic videos. Also stuff about working out and bikes when I get around to it. I mean bikes like motorcycles. I have a Kawasaki Ninja 500 that I really, really love. So I'll post videos of riding that around. And then I'm also into working out too, so I'll do like gym stuff too. But I just started this page, so any follow would be really cool. Appreciate you guys, or subscribe. So we can get Chocobo into a double trigger on this, which will give us a card draw. We can get Bristly Bill out there. This is sketchy, but we'll do it. We'll try it. We'll sacrifice first. No, we don't want to do that. I think we want to do good. We want to do that. We'll probably put the other one out next turn too. Now we can worry about a land. So let's do this, and then let's double trigger. Yeah, I'm glad to use it on that instead of a Bristly Bill. We'll just go ahead and get a land so we have it for next turn. Go ahead and say go. Alright, we'll go boom. See if he's got a counter, removal. I don't know what this guy's deck is, but it's probably powerless. And then what we could do is do this, do that, and then do this. I don't know if running 4 of these is necessary. Alright, so he'll swing, and we'll let him. Alright, let's go like this. Boom. Same thing, we'll just pump him up. So he's a 5. Let's draw a card. I don't think we want a third one of those. That kind of sucks. Okay, let's go to combat. We'll swing. Take him down to 16. Pass the turn. So it's just an end of turn thing, no big deal. Swing for 4, that's fine. The biggest no-brainer of all time. Getting that out there with an immediate trigger is so sick. Boom. Immediate trigger. I'm going to keep this in my hand for now. Swing for 6. We kind of got fucked over on this game because we have multiples of cards we don't want. Good job, Bubba. Hey, Jethro. Good dog. Hi, Red. Hi, buddy boy. Oh, it's a good boy. Oh, that's huge. Let's fucking go. Alright, so... yeah, let's go like this and start pumping him up. Boom. Pop, 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 pop. Boom. Give him trigger. Pop, 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 pop. We can draw a card. Nice. Nice. There's another body out there. He doesn't have really anything going on, so let's do this again. He can combo block and take actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He can't. He can kill the tree thing, but alright, let's see what he's got here. He's got a bunch of burn stuff where if stuff does this, then okay, gives me -4. Okay, does 2 damage. -1, I mean, so weird card. Okay. So he's just gonna try. It's a good strategy. He probably should have attacked right there. Let's draw a card first. Because we want to get a land. Nice. We want to get that's exactly what we wanted. Boom. Counter on the Mossborn to pump him up. Pop, 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 pop. And then I was just going to say we were just going to do his special ability and it was really going to get... Nice, dude. Okay, 3 and 1. Should we do it? Should we do one more? Let's do one more. These are my clients, dogs on treadmills here. I own a company where I have dogs and they run on treadmills. There's no motor. People think it's like, you know, we press a button and we make them do it. It's literally, there's no motor. So I can stop him. Right, you see how he stopped? And then if he wants to stop, he can stop, but Brett likes it. He's a good boy. All right, one more. We'll do one more. You guys want a couple extra minutes on the treadmill? Because you guys are good dogs. Good boys. Yeah, sure, why not? Not great, but not terrible. Having 2 of these is always good. Mono red aggro. Boom. We can do this. Should I play Llanowar first? Probably. Fuck it. So he's just got a bunch of fire bet. Well, I guess that's fine. Whatever. Yeah, he's mono red aggro, I'm pretty sure. Probably goblins. I'll take 2 damage. He'll probably have more, but I don't think he'll have more than 5 damage on this turn. Because what I want to do is I want to get Llanowar Elf out, and then that way this has something to put the counter on. Okay, it's not the worst. We'll go boom. Now he's at least big enough to block these 2. Until he removes them, he's gonna lightning strike or whatever. Maybe a braid. He's got removal. He's got removal for 2/2s. That's why it's best that you can get this in and then do a fetch land to give it a double trigger and get it to 4/4 on turn 1. Not turn 1, but as soon as it hits the field, get it to a 4/4. Because it's so susceptible to removal at a 1/1 or a 2/2. So it just goes in and out of the hand, which if you had some kind of trigger, that would, I guess, make a difference. So let's go boom. All right, we'll at least be able to get this to a 4/4, I think. Okay, because we'll go like that. Boom. Now he's gonna sacrifice it. All right, that's no big deal. No biggie. That's why it's nice to have this extra one. But we are getting low on cards. Yeah, fuck it. Let's trade 1 for 2. Alright, what's he got here? He's got this thing, but does he have to pay for it each time? God damn it. God damn it. Swing for 3. Get 2 extra mana, so he's got 5. Yep, that makes sense. It's not looking good. Alright, that's good. Alright, we'll go like this. This will get it up to a 10. Watch, this will get it up to a 10. Alright, let's see if he can get rid of a 10-10. I don't think that's going to do it. But it does have Menace, right? One of these guys has Menace. Oh. I feel like he's baiting me. Because obviously... What the fuck? Why couldn't I block those? Doesn't matter, I win. GG's. His deck was super weird. And by weird, I mean terrible. Alright, Diamond Tier 3, halfway to Tier 2.